Which swirl remover for car paint is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover. First up is the Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover. Priced at $26.97, this product caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 700 reviews. If you want an easy way to erase light scratches and swirls, this is worth a serious look. It contains premium chemicals designed for various paint types, meaning you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Plus, the included microfiber towel and foam pad make application a breeze. Just spray, buff, and wipe. Now, some people complained about the effectiveness on deeper scratches. Here's the thing though, it's crucial to manage your expectations. This product shines for minor imperfections, but if you're dealing with deep scratches, you might need something stronger. This is perfect for you if you have a newer car with light wear and tear, but skip this one if your vehicle has significant damage. Honestly, for the price, it offers fantastic value for those looking to maintain their car's appearance. Now, if Carfident's limitations on deeper scratches bothered you, the next product might just be the solution. Product number 2, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Next up is Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, priced at just $13.97. This one really stood out with its impressive rating of 4.4 stars from over 9,600 reviews. If you need something that quickly fixes scratches and adds a brilliant shine, you should definitely consider this. It safely tackles scratches, swirls, and even oxidation, making it a solid choice for a DIY fix. Plus, it's easy to use by hand or with a polisher, so you can get a professional-looking finish at home. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit messy during application. Here's why that's not a deal-breaker. Just be cautious and work in small areas. A little preparation goes a long way in avoiding a mess. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast wanting quick results, but skip this one if you're looking for a product that's completely mess-free. At this price point, it's a steal for the quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more comprehensive kit. Product number 3, Carfident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. The third product is another from Carfident, their Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover, priced at $21.97. With a solid rating of 3.9 stars from 48,400 reviews, it's been purchased over 10,000 times this month. If you're after a versatile solution for minor paint damage, this is definitely worth your attention. This product shines in its ability to not only repair swirls and scratches, but also restore that deep gloss to your car's paint. The included buffer pad makes it super simple to use, bringing back your car's original brilliance without a lot of elbow grease. It's safe on all paint types, so you won't have to worry about damaging your finish. However, some users found it may take multiple applications for optimal results. Here's the thing though, patience is key. If you're okay with investing a little more time, you'll see impressive results. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, user-friendly product, but skip this if you need immediate results. For the price, you're getting a top-notch solution that's easy to use. Now, if you're looking for a product with even more professional backing, the next one might catch your interest. Product number 4, Meguiar's Professional Swirl Remover 2. Coming in at number 4 is Meguiar's Professional Swirl Remover 2, priced at $15.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,800 reviews, this product is tailored for those wanting to restore dark paint colors. If you need a reliable product that delivers on shine and gloss, you may want to check this out. It's body shop safe and can be applied with either a buffer or by hand, giving you flexibility in how you want to achieve that perfect finish. The reduced splatter during application is a huge plus for keeping things clean. Some users noted that it might not be as effective on lighter colors. Here's the thing, if you have a dark vehicle, this is a home run, but it might not be the best for lighter paint jobs. This is perfect for you if you own a dark-colored car and want to bring back its luster, but skip this if you have a lighter color. For the price, it's a solid investment for top-tier results. Now, if you're curious about a product that tackles even more paint imperfections, the final product won't disappoint. Product number 5, Griot's Garage Complete Compound. Last but not least is Griot's Garage Complete Compound, priced at $13.99. With an impressive 4.6-star rating from over 2,600 reviews, this one is gaining traction. If you want a compound that's effective on all automotive paint finishes, this is a great option. This formula excels in eliminating scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation while leaving a beautiful glossy finish. It's designed for easy application, whether you're using a polisher or doing it by hand. The fast wiping feature means you can save time and still achieve that high gloss look without a ton of fuss. However, some folks mention that it might not work as well on extremely deep scratches. Here's the thing, this product is fantastic for standard wear and tear, but may require a different approach for more severe damage. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, effective solution for your car's finish, but skip this if you're dealing with heavy-duty scratches. At its price, it offers great value for anyone needing solid results. Now that we've covered all 5, let's wrap things up. So to recap, Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover is excellent for light scratches. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound gives you quick results. Carfident Scratch Repair is user-friendly. Meguiar's Professional 2 is perfect for dark paints, and Griot's Garage is versatile across finishes. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.